Hello students, now start with online classes. Now already previous in yesterday some examination having in 5th class. Now some members is don't know in mathematics and don't know some questions now. And today these questions I am explaining how they can having. Now you can already already this type of questions don't know, but you can see in blackboard you can understand these questions how they can having. Next time too you can this type of questions you can individually you can only you can solve the question now. And this is first question. This is both also mixed fraction to present. Now you can see blackboard, this both also mixed fractions to present. Now this question how I can solve one mixed fraction to already previous class to said fraction like in class 2, and one mixed fraction to two types of numbers present. Now this is two types numbers present, one mixed fraction to one is 2 in fraction means this is whole number and this is a fractional number. Okay, one mixed fraction to two types of numbers present. Now one of the whole number, another the fractions. Now you can to solve how like having you can see guys simply. Now you can discussing about you and me. Now both also mixed fraction present. Now you can take it. This is commonly one to present. This is commonly means what? This is whole numbers is commonly now present. Means 2 plus 3 is taken to. This is first fraction 2 in 2 present and first fraction another fraction to 3 present. Now you can take it in 2 plus 3. Now remaining 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7. Now you can take it guys in both whole numbers, you can take it in separately one bracket to keep it. Now 2 plus 3 you can keep it in whole numbers, now keep it in this side. Now remaining fractions present in both two fractions, you can take it this 2 also you can bracket to keep. Now 2 plus 3 how much? 5. Okay, understand guys? Now 2 plus 3 is 5. Now remaining this fraction only present. Sir, already fraction 2 you can say it, and denominator is same like present you can already say it. Denominator same like present means for example 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Denominator same like present means you can take it one same denominator, and both denominators present means taken in numerators same only. Now you can take it in 1 plus 1 means 2 by 4. Now this type of question and this type of method you already discussing you and me in fractions introduction. Now here denominators is denominators is don't know means denominators is same not present, but this type of question how I can solve you can see already. This type of question is you and me not discussing about me, and now you can see guys this type of question how like having you can take it in both also. Now keep it in your brain. Now you can keep it in your mind, this taken to two digits in both also in odd numbers, both also in odd number, and both odd numbers you can take it in now LCM. Means LCM means what? LCM means what? Least common multiple. Understand guys? Least common multiple. Now discussing about least common multiple what? Least common multiple. This can formula right means this can full form. Least common multiple. Now what do I mean by least common multiple? You can take it guys in least common multiple. Multiple means what? Into. Okay, it means that number can table to present or not. You can see both take it in denominators 7 and 5. Must and should guys in two numbers present. Every two numbers or every two denominators present means simply you can take it two digits is one table to not present also having, but single digit also one table to present. Now you can see check in two table to. Now two table to 7 present or 5 present, any table to means not present. Why? Because in 7 is big number, 2 3 is 6 having, small number having. Now another 3 table 2, now 2 also not present. Now simply one trick to now 2 also odd numbers. Now guys, 2 also odd numbers that taken indirectly into done into both multiples. Means both numbers also can multiple. 2 odd numbers present means you directly you can do it, not you go no in LCM procedure. Directly you can multiple. Directly do both two digits you can multiple. Now, okay, LCM methods I will say. Now you can see guys, in 7 ones and 5 you can directly you can put it. Why? Because in 7 table to 5 not present, and that's why you can keep it in down in 5. And same only, and now 1 also not present and 5 present in 5 table 2 means 1 not present means you directly keep, means 5 1 ja 5. Okay, now least common multiple means that side, and means this line to this column line means this side, how many numbers in down to how many numbers present you can all also multiple. Okay, understand? Now you can take it in 7 into 5 into 1 into 1. Now 7 5 is 35. 35 into 1 35. 35 into 1 35. Now is LCM is 35. Okay, understand guys? Now take it in denominator. Okay, this process over. But this step 2 main important topic you can see guys in blackboard. In 5 table, in means 5 denominator present. Means 5 denominator present. Now you can take it how like having you can see. Now 5 denominator present. Now here denominator 35. Means 5 table 2, how much can into is 35 came. Means 5 7s are 35. Now sir already here 7 present. But you can guys, is 7 present means you can 7 not can take in now. You can is don't confuse having. Now you can see guys 5 7s are means 7 down to keep it inside. Now 5 7s are 35 having. Now here cross multiplication. Now you can take it in 7. This 7 to you can multiple in 5 up to how much present in numerator. That now you can take it in into in cross multiplication. Means 7 1 ja 7 plus. Okay, over. Same only, and this denominator over. And another one denominator present. Now this 7. Same only can do it now in denominator. 7 how much can multiple in 35k. Now 7 5s are. Means same only can cross multiplication. Now 5 1 ja 5. Now guys you can see same only you can keep it in 5. Now bracket 2, 7 plus 5 how much? Now this is answer. Now guys, this is once again you can video can see means properly neat and clean you can see in blackboard in LCM method how like having. This is you can see guys. For example, another one example to I gave in LCM. For example, 2 and 4. If this 2 and denominator is 2 and 4 present. Now is this 2 also can LCM to done means you can take it in LCM procedure. Now single number also one multiple means one table to present you can solve it. Another number you not present is that table to you directly keep it down. Now 2 table to can do it. Means 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. Now another one also number is 2 table to present. Means 2 2s are. Okay, over. Now this both also numbers came. Now is both numbers is one table to not present. You can, okay, that's why you can take it in 2 also. Now 1 table to 1 not and 2 table to 1 not present. Now you can take it 1 means 2 present means 2 1s are. Listen guys, you completely meant to keep LCM means lastly 1 1 came, that much too you can do it in level step to step you can solve the answer. 1 how much came, that answer is LCM is over. Okay, 1 having means that much over in LCM. Now 2 into 2. Now you can take it in 2 into 2 and remaining 1 into 1. Now is 2 into 2 4 and 1 into 1 1. Now 4 into 1 4. Okay, now that's is LCM is over. Okay, this type of LCM you can do it now. And next procedure. Okay, understand guys, this question how I can solve means both whole numbers can take it in commonly and remaining fractions and keep it in one bracket, and then after this both also different denominators present. Then after you can solve and both also can take it inside to LCM. Then after two numbers one table to not present means you can take it in one stick to both also can odd numbers means directly you can multiple. Now another one trick is LCM can do it. Now single number means that number can table in that number table to present. Now you can see for example you can 5 present means 5 table to having you can keep it in 1. Now 7 not present means directly you can keep it in 1 7. Now another one is 1 and 7 came. Now 7 is 7 table to 7 present, but now 1 present. Now 1 is directly can keep it, but 7 present means 7 ones are 7. Now once again LCM to keep it mind, 1 that's like having means this is LCM is having, means LCM is stop it. 1 having means 1 came. Answer is 1 came in down to LCM is completed over, and that's why 1 came much you can solve the question. Okay, understand, just keep it in mind. Now this question over. Now another one question, question number 2. 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Now answer how much? How many 2.57? 4. Understand guys? 4 2.5s came. Now once you keep it in your mind, how many 4, how many 25s came? 4 25s. Now simply take what means is multiple. Means same also one number only present. Means same also same number only present. Now you can take it directly 25 into 4. Now you can see guys 4 5s are 20. Now remaining 2 means 4 2s are 1800. Is 100 came. Now listen guys, how many decimals present in, how many points to decimal present? Single number point, and you can take it in means 10.0. This is one type of method. Okay, 10.0. Okay, here plus present. Okay, this method also can solve. The same only answer came. Now you can check once you can see guys. 2.5, 2.5. Now how many 5s present? 4 5s. 4 5s are 20.2. Here up to k. How many 4s? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 2s are 10. Simply have it. Same only came na in into also. This you can do it in plus also. Okay, this is simply trick. Same numbers present means you count how many numbers, that number to can multiple that number, means 4 numbers present in 425. 25 into 4 you can do it. So decimal present how like can have it. First you can do it in into, then after answer came you can same numbers means decimal after single numbers only present means answer also can decimal after one number can take. Okay, decimal after, okay, one number before only you can take it in decimal. Now another question solve. Question number 3. Now 123 plus 237 plus 113. Now question mark. Now both three also can addition. Already previous class to said you can do it in a small number to can addition first time. Now then after you can solve it. Now how like can having means you can do it. Now is series method. Directly you can do it in series only. Now 3 plus 7 and means how much having? 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 3 13. Now you can take it 3. Now 1 where keeps in previous up to. Why? Because this number to can start now. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. Over. Next 100 plus you can all also 100 plus. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 1 how much having? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 4 only. This is answer 473. Now this is series like directly can solve. Now columns like having, how like having you can see. Seven plus 3 13. 13. Sorry, not 7 plus 3 10 13. 3 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6 1 7. Now 4. Same only. This is a very long process. This is directly having, you can see. Directly you can process a series like only you can do it. But series like having means you must and should place values can do it. Thus which place value can means started with ones place, all also 1 place can plus, then after tens place, then after 100 place. Same series like in a series like pattern you can follow in series method. Now question number 4. Now 2.31 minus 7 into 2.51. Now already previous class to said in BODMAS rules. Now you can solve it BODMAS too. Now guys, BODMAS. Keep it your mind. B means bracket, O means off means into, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. Now you can do it guys in multiplication. Now division not present, off in means off not present, B not present. Now next only what present into. Now you can do it in this both, and this is can solve after, this is done after. Why? Because you can rule in BODMAS rule, can solve after, you can do it. Now same only can keep it in that number can down to right. Now next what? This two also can multiple. Now here decimal present, here not decimal. You can first multiple can do it. Then after you can decimal to keep it. Now you can do it in multiple.